guys, welcome to our video. Today we're going to make some pancakes and it's pancake day. So let's get to it.
Yay!
And I got all of our ingredients. Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to make some pancakes. And this is all the ingredients. We need eggs, flour, milk, water and a pinch of salt. So let's get to it.
Dishes!
Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to be making some pancakes. So let's get started. So first we're going to be putting the flour, then the milk and water, then the egg, and then the pinch of salt. So first let's put the flour in. So now we need to put the milk and water. Now we're going to add the eggs. Now we're going to add the pinch of salt. Well, 2 pinches of salt. Now I'm going to mix it all together and I'll see you guys in a minute when I've mixed it all together. Guys, I've mixed it all up, so now we just need to put it in the frying pan. So we'll see you guys in a minute and we'll see how they turn out. So now this is the first couple of the pancakes that we've made. And they turned out really well. So now this is all the toppings that I've got. We've got Nutella, we got syrup, sugar and lemon. And we need a spoon and a knife. These pancakes are delicious. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shania's World Savers, and hit that like button. Make sure you turn my invocation button on.